Good morning, everyone. My name is Delson C. Perez, your accredited competency assessor in shielded metal arc welding. First, I want to acknowledge the presence of our processing officer, Ms. Villanueva, and representative from TESDA Provincial Office, Mr. Reyes, and our AC manager, Ms. Chua. Before we start, please submit your admission slip. Thank you. Thank you. As I call your name, please acknowledge by raising your hand and sign our attendance sheet. The purpose of this assessment is to determine the level of competency achieved. Also, our job requirements for promotion, and last, for additional credential. Shielded metal arc welding have units of competency. They are set up working area equipment and accessories, prepared weld joints, fit up weld materials, weld carbon steel plate using SMAW, and weld carbon steel pipe using SMAW. Also, shielded metal arc welding have four-dimension skills. Number one, cognitive skills. We need to understand the welding principles, analyzing materials, and interpreting blueprints. Also, technical skills, mastery of welding techniques, hand tools, and electrodes and welding machine. Also, number three, interpersonal skills, collaborating with team members, followed by instructions, and maintaining clean communication on the project requirement. And last, intrapersonal skills, practicing discipline, patience, safety awareness, and striving for continuous improvement in welding performance. To determine your knowledge and skills, the assessment method we use in shielded metal arc welding are number one, so we have written tests. Also, number two, we have demonstration. And last, oral questioning. Inside the assessment center, we have do and don'ts. Number one, no gadget allowed. Observe occupational health safety and 5S. Never leave the premises and no eating and drinking inside our assessment center. As your assessor, never hesitate to asking me some questions or clarification. Okay, as the result of the assessment will be competent, if you pass all the competencies and not yet competent. In terms of confidentiality and integrity, all activities in the assessment area must be confidential. In case you have questions to the result of the competency of the assessment, rather to the assessment, you can appeal and submit your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office for the assessment center and accredited assessor. For the issuance of national certificate, they will email to you and you can apply to the TESDA Provincial Office for printing of your copies. But bring your pictures, cards, and additional 50 pesos for your processing fee. For reassessment, for not yet competent rating, you have only 2 consecutive reassessment. Always maintain occupational healthy safety standard in our working area. That's all. Thank you and good luck. Masisave na to, mahal? Isa pa nga daw, may nalimutan yata.